Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am here to show you how I make a new recipe. This new recipe will be an interesting one. Now, the instructions are simple. You take, if anybody who eats ramen noodles will know what these are. Just grab one of your favorite flavor, some garlic powder, and mix it in here. We only have 9 minutes, so I'll save us the process. Just thoroughly, just dust it on, mix it, then dust some more on. Do this at least 2 or 3 times. Okay. I'll skip the show you part. Maybe next time I'll show more detail. Oh, I forgot to mention, add a little bit of garlic powder to it also. Okay, so I mix the thing up and put it in the pan. Let's see, this is ground turkey, so hang on. This is ground turkey, so it's kind of obvious what you got to do at this one. Just let it cook. Make sure you use a non-stick pan for this part. Oh, I think I left this on longer than usual. Oh wait, that's right, my numbers were off. Having between 4 and 5 on your stove. Between 4 and 5. Or else you end up something a little bit like this. Okay. Oh, by the way, word of advice. Put a tiny X in the middle. That way, the heat goes all the way through, and it's just a safety precaution. Now, you see some of this juice? I see. So just shake it up a little bit like this now and then. Now, I'll be right back when we get to the next part. Make sure you check it now and then. You don't want to get too brown. Okay, next part. You have to get the tortilla bread ready. But right before you do that, you cut this thing in half. No. Yeah, it's wise just add a little bit of oil, but just a little. Now, no, you're probably wondering what the heck we're making. I just realized I never told you the name. It's a quesadilla. Well, basically a special type of quesadilla. One from an incomplete nightmare sorry, that's on my pronunciation. It's the nightmare recipes. Now we have to know what we want to put in. Last time I put a little bit of cheese and tomato sauce in it. Now this part, anyone who made a quesadilla will know. Basically, you can make something like this. Now let's make sure both sides are even. Now we add the cheese. But first we turn down the heat. Okay, so on one side we'll add a little bit of pepper jack. And on the other side we add American. I'll be right back after the process is done. So now I'll show you it. Yeah. No, the way you arrange the cheese is up to you. The one side will have more cheese on it than the other. You'll see. Okay, that's how you do it on the top side, and you add this to it. Then, you add a little bit more cheese onto the bottom. The cheese is actually like the thing that will hold it together. Oh, I believe I forgot to mention, this is why you don't want to make the thing too thick. You don't want to make it too thick, or else, yeah, this. You end up with this. It's a little too thick. Oh, that was close. Okay, I'll just finish up this process and then show you the next part. Get ready. Okay, so it looked like this at this point. Then all you have to do is flip it, let it cook a little bit, and you'll be done. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. This is the final part. And yeah, I might have miscalculated how long I was taking. That, or I miscalculated the temperature slightly. But if I improvise this correctly, this shouldn't be that bad. Crap, I can actually feel the density. Well, see you guys later. You're probably wondering, who am I? The name's Origami Face. You probably think I'm just some idiotic fool for speaking these words. But in truth, just like the tarot card, even a fool can make something new. But you are no fool. You try to be a scourge who wears a face of a virtuous life form. For what is a human? Now these days, a creature of God or a living scourge. It's a little bit funny when you think about it. Some humans are willing to destroy the homes, take away the joy, ignore the rights and free will of others, just so that way they can feel like they're number one. Truly, is it worth it? They would say yes, but truly virtuous humans will say no. So I say this. This is your only chance to walk away, to give up your ways of forcing pain and suffering on so many. Or else I will just appear right behind you, slowly torturing you in the back of your mind, day and night, unleashing fear and pain. You probably think I'm a joke. The funniest part about it, I don't need to be near you. I don't need to touch you. I don't even need to speak to you to be a threat to you. For when I'm done, your hope will wither. Your will fade. And last but not least, your conviction will die. Say you're powerful, though in truth you're literally nothing but a weakling, while your powerful Deus Ex Machina gun and all your troopers. I can give you credit, you forget who the heck I'm talking to. We're talking about in this transmission. You're literally nothing like your gun. You're nothing like your troops. A true Armado fight. You are nothing. To kill you would be the equivalent of stepping on a bug. It's not even worth the act. But then, if I killed you, I'd be no better. That way I can a better solution. And simply